गया मर गया साला.
I am all alone here, sitting here like a crazy person. I want to go fix my shoes right here. See, shoe from Zara. Now I want to find a cobbler in Vizag market because I bring only 2 shoes and both of the shoes is getting torn like this. So I will go and fix. So I book a Uber. I'm waiting for the driver. I want to fix my shoes. Yeah. Now we are going to Kurupam. He doesn't speak Hindi that much. He doesn't speak English that much. But I'm trying to communicate with him. I'm hunting for a cobbler man. Cobbler man, where are you? You need to fix my shoes. But it's not working. So we are hunting the city to find a cobbler. We will not stop until we find a cobbler. There is no one cobbler who is doing fixing the shoes. Oh, I really need to find my cobbler. We are about to have a crash with an auto while we are looking for the cobbler. Wait, okay. Wonderful. Aram se chaliye, relax. We cannot find a cobbler. Where is this man? Oh my god. We have been searching the whole city, but still we cannot find a cobbler. I need to find one because I cannot buy a new shoes. I cannot afford right now. No cobbler. Where have been all this cobbler? No cobbler. Is there a different market? Different. Shall we ask to someone? We are still hunting for the cobbler, but we still can't find it. Hi brother, where's the cobbler man? Oh my god, this is disaster. There is no cobbler man. In Delhi, there are so many cobblers in every street, but here we cannot find a cobbler. This is very hard. Should I search on internet?
Bro, దగ్గర లేకుండా చెప్పులు కుట్టి వాళ్ళు ఉంటారా? చెప్పులు కుట్టి వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు దగ్గర.
స్టార్టింగ్లో ఉంటాడు బ్రో. Thank you brother. Thank you. Okay, he told me about the cobbler. Where will we find? Wow, I did not believe this. This is very challenging. Shall we ask to them? Oh wow.
చెప్పులు కుడతారు ఈ దారిలో. చెప్పులు కుట్టి వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు ఈ దారి. చెప్పులు షూ కుట్టేటోళ్ళు ఉన్నారా?
Okay, finally I think we have hope now. Where is this cobbler man? No.
బాబాయ్ అన్న ఈ దారిలో చెప్పులు కుట్టేటోళ్ళు ఉంటారు. దారిలో చెప్పులు కుట్టేటోళ్ళు ఉంటారు. హిందీ అన్న తెలుగు.
Shoes.
కోనే पे 10 कोने.
Oh, thank you. Oh, this is very challenging. This is very hard to find cobbler. Your city is very developed. No one is working on cobbler anymore. Yeah, okay, here. Oh, yeah. Finally, thank you, Anna. Thank you. Wonderful. Finally, with the help of this Anna, I found the cobbler. Bill. Send it. Mil gaya. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. What's your name? Chandu. Okay. Nice to meet you, Chandu. मेरा जूता ये फिक्स कर लेना थोड़ा सा, ये निकल गया, थोड़ा सा फिक्स कर लेना. कितना लेगा? हाउ मच?
50 देना.
50. ठीक है, मैं दोनों है मेरे साथ, वो भी फिक्स कर लेना. ठीक है, ये पहला फिक्स कर लेना, ये आसान हो जाएगा. ओके, आई एम ट्राइंग टू फिक्स माई शूज नाउ हियर.
दोनों का?
हाँ दोनों, हाँ एक और निकाल दूंगा. ये सारे निकल गया, वो भी फिक्स कर लेना थोड़ा सिलाई कर. ये सारे निकल गए.
एक है दोनों का.
तो चेक करेंगे अभी. वाओ, आई डिड नॉट बिलीव दिस. 300
दोनों की
300. वो पूरा सिलम और ये बहुत ज़्यादा है.
पूरा करेगा.
ओके, इट्स ओके, ओनली डू दिस ओनली वन. ये बहुत ज़्यादा है.
150,
हाँ 150 में करें. ठीक. वाओ, आई डिड नॉट बिलीव दैट. फाइनली, after searching like almost 1 hour, finally I found a spot to fix my shoes with this akka. This is very fine. Okay, this is going to be 50 rupees and this is going to fix by 150. This one. So Akka is fixing my shoes. I think she's very experienced. आप कितने साल के ऐसे काम कर रहे हैं? कितने साल के? How many years of experience?
20.
20 years. Very long. कहाँ से हो आप? आप कहाँ से हो?
ये वाले ने
अच्छा, आंध्रा से?
आंध्रा।
अच्छा अच्छा।
भैया मेरे पति मर गया।
योर पति मर गया कब?
20
20 years ago. Very sad. Sorry to hear that.
पी गया मर गया साला।
शराबी पी के मर गया। हाँ।
हाँ?
ड्रिंकिंग इज वेरी बैड फॉर लिवर।
हेल्थ तो
हाँ,
खराब हो
हेल्थ
गया।
लिवर का बहुत खराब हो जाएगा।
हाँ।
मैं सारे जगह में ये घूमने चल के जूता ऐसे निकल गया। आपका देश बहुत अच्छा लगा है, आंध्रा। तेलुगु पीपल आर वेरी नाइस।
हिंदी थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है।
हाँ, मैं भी हिंदी इतना नहीं बोलते हैं। मैं इंग्लिश यहाँ ज़्यादा बोलते हैं। सो मैं हिंदी बोलते हैं आपके लिए। हमारा देश में चाइना नहीं है। मणिपुर है। मणिपुर तो असम के आसपास है। ये भी भारत की अंदर में आते हैं। हाँ, भारत में 28 देश है। 28 भारत में। सो मणिपुर एक ही है। Okay, she appears to be very friendly. She told me that her husband passed away 20 years ago because of drinking liquor, and we have agreed 40 rupees each for 2 pieces and 150 rupees for 1 piece of that black suit. This one. I'm going to fix only one because one is perfectly fine and one is the right one. Oh my god, the horn sound. हाँ, ये ज़रूरी है तो ये लो कपड़ा से निकाल. Now this is very helpful.
बीच में
हाँ
जा रहा है।
हाँ, बीच में सारे बीच.
खराब हो गया।
हाँ, मैं आज तमिलनाडु जा रहा हूँ. तमिलनाडु चला गया कभी भी आपको? तमिलनाडु.
नहीं।
Okay, the time is 12:55, but I have a bus booking for 4:25 p.m. So I have to be very quick now. I am all alone here. I am just sitting. See? This is the city view. See? And I am sitting here like a crazy person, waiting for my shoes to be fixed. And everyone is watching at me. Maybe they are thinking I'm a crazy man, but I'm not crazy man. I'm a waiter waiting for my shoes here. No, Anna is working on my shoes. He has started fixing my shoes now. I want to put it on this. Wow. Nice. And she's working on something else. I think she is fixing the zip line of this bag, this duffel bag. And he is fixing my shoe. Wow, it's almost 80% done. Almost done. See now, it's almost done, like 95% done, 96% done. Finally done. Here it is done, 100%.
भाई दी चाइना कहाँ जाता है?
जापान
नहीं मणिपुर. Done, 100%. ठीक है. Wow, this is how we done. Looks perfect. वो तो परफेक्ट है, नहीं जरूरी, सिर्फ ये करना. मैं अभी बस स्टेशन में जाने वाला, बहुत टाइम नहीं है.
5 मिनट में आएगा, 5 मिनट में.
कितना आएगा टोटल में? ये करेगा तो
ये वाला 40 इచ్చేస్తే
सुपर ग्लू लगा लिया. Okay, finally, let me put on. Okay, looks good. Okay, हो गया. जी पे
ऑनलाइन है।
हाँ, लंदन नलिनी क्या होता है? हाँ, भेज दिया. You are simply putting the super glue, but that's okay. I appreciate your hard work. Thank you.
ओके।
Thank you, Anna. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Akka. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you soon. Bye bye.
भाई कितना में मोल है कैमरा
Camera. एक मिनट.
ये कितना में मोल है
कैमरा ये 50,000 का.
15,000 का
50 हाँ.
कहाँ मोल है
हाँ
कहाँ मोल है
हाँ ये बहुत अच्छा है.
ये किधर मोल है किधर मोल
50,000.
50,000 है ये कौन सा है ये वाइजैक में मोल है ना कहाँ मोल है ये में मोल
हाँ वैजाग में सारे साउथ इंडिया तमिलनाडु केरला
तमिलनाडु हो नहीं भाई गाँव गाँव
गाँव
गाँव वही के दुबई में मोल है कहाँ मोल है
पता नहीं. Sorry.
ओ कोई
हाँ I'm from Manipur. Yeah, Nagaland ki nearby, neighbor. Now let me go back to my hotel so that I'm going to go bus station, MPP bus colony, and today I'm going to Tamil Nadu. So bye bye.